A vendor sent us this Pebble Countertop ice maker for this video review, and with the heat waves we've been having, we can say we were looking forward to trying it out. It's really easy to set up and get going, making you glorious ice nuggets. Let me show you how it works. First off, make sure you read through the instructions and follow the directions to have it in an upright position at least 2 hours prior to plugging it in to allow the refrigerant fluid to settle. Once you have it going, you'll have ice available in 15 minutes and can make up to 55 pounds of ice in 24 hours. This is great for hosting friends and family or even in an office kitchen. The 0.63 gallon removable water tank can be filled in two ways. You can pour water directly into it, or you can remove the water tank, fill it up separately, and insert again. With the built-in ice box, you can store ice cubes for up to 5 hours, which is pretty great and convenient when hosting a party. It has an easy-to-use indicator screen. Simply press the on button to get it started. You can see the different levels of ice as they become available. Once the level indicates ice is ready, you just pull on the handle above the display panel and ice cubes will be dispensed below. We've been really enjoying these Nugget ice cubes, especially with our friends and families who have been visiting. Overall, this is a great self-dispensing countertop Nugget ice maker, which will be a hit at your next party and a great addition for all iced coffee lovers. What a great gadget to always have fresh ice and make those perfect ice-cold beverages. I hope I helped you with my review, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Thank you.